Hey everybody, Jen from Scrapping Under the Influence. I am here to do a super quick haul video of the Simple Stories Say Cheese Classic Pooh. This paper, oh my lord, it is so stinking cute. I am absolutely just dying over this. I actually got it like 3 days ago and I just opened the box this morning. So let's take a look. We're going to start with the 6x8 pad, which I did get 2 of because the 6x8 pads, quite honestly, from Simple Stories are so fun, and they're just a good size and everything else. And they always have a couple of sheets in them that are different than what's in the 12x12. So, oh, apparently we're going to like pop the paper out, which is fine. But look how cute. Okay, like seriously. Look at this page. I mean, that's perfect as is. Like, you don't need to do anything to that. And we've got the cute 100-acre wood, and we've got flowers, and we've got super cute tags, and more flowers. We've got little tiny bees. Look at these Pooh's Balloon Company. Like, seriously. Yeah, and then we've got some more of the 3x4 cut-aparts, which are just perfect. And then, of course, it repeats. So we've got that. We've got the big bits, and why I only ordered one of this one, I don't know. I truly wasn't expecting it to be as adorable in person as it is, but look at these pieces and the big bits. Like, I need to go order another one of those now. I got the chipboard frames, of course, because I always love these and I like making shakers with them and that kind of thing. I did get the rub-ons because the rub-ons from Simple Stories have been really fun. Like, what has kind of happened, I've noticed, is you'll have some of these sheets like this that are pretty much like, you could just do the entire sheet like that on a piece of acetate and do it as like a flap or something, and it's just perfect the way it is. But look at these are so cute. You got the 100-acre woods, you've got that little silhouette with them crossing the stream. I got the foam stickers, of course, because I love the foam stickers, but like, this is just so cute. And I love that there's like the black and white in with the color, and we have the chipboards as well. We've got the huge one with the balloon, and I will refrain from singing the Little Black Rain Cloud song from Winnie the Pooh because you don't need to hear that. All right, this is the floral bit. So you've got Pooh, and then you've got Eeyore, and you've got like all these little flowers that are kind of colored for either Winnie the Pooh or Eeyore. Sentiment bits. So we've got a lot of sentiments on there, which are really cute. And then journal bits. There's lots of different little ephemera pieces for this one. So of course the little journaling spots. And then we have the bits and pieces, and then we've got Tigger right there on the front, and Rabbit and Eeyore, and Owl and Kanga, and Piglet, of course. I don't see Roo. How sad, no Roo. Oh well, that's okay. And then we've got the page pieces, which are, of course, always really fun. All right, papers. So I, of course, have the collection kit. So we'll just look at the sticker sheet on the back of the collection kit rather than pulling this out. But look at this big border one with the silhouettes of them, like, running. See, there's Roo. So yeah, just, oh my gosh, I'm dying. Okay, so papers. We've got, and this they did with the Christmas paper as well. Let's see if there's another one that goes with this. This is basically ready to do a layout, to get your paper on there, some ephemera, and you're ready to go. They did this with the Classic Mouse collection. There was something similar with the vintage Dear Santa, which everybody's doing the December daily with for CCC. And I mean, come on, I love that check. And the flowers in this are so cute. And then you've got your little black and white like story pages. You got a bigger one with that silhouette of them playing. with another beautiful plaid. Aha, see, this is what I was talking about. Okay. So you've got the 100-acre wood, you've got your borders down this side. This is ready to go for a 2-page layout. And maybe I'll throw one together. I've got super cute Winnie the Pooh pictures from Nick's first Disney World trip where he refused to smile anytime they took his picture. It was so fun. He was having a great time. And the minute we photo pass people take his picture, he'd glare at him. Which was not like him. It was very weird. Okay, so here's your journal element cut aparts. Of course, these are so fun. Oh, look at that one. I love the colors in this. They're just very earthy, and I love yeah. I love everything about this. Like, they outdid themselves with the classic mouse. They've done it again with this one. It's just absolutely amazing. So, super cute tags. I love the little pops of color on the 100-acre wood. Like, how cute is that? Yeah, Sandy Pit where Roo plays, the bee tree, rabbits, friends and relations. I mean, Eeyore's gloomy. Oh, come on. And cute, cute, cute. I don't think there was a solids pack that went with this, or else I missed it, which is entirely possible. Super cute. Again, this is another one that's like just perfect for a layout if you do those sorts of things. Honestly, I kind of want to take my big layout book like that I did with the Doodlebug Halloween and do another version with this. And that may be what I end up doing with this. I don't know. I can't decide. It's all too cute. So super cute 3x4 cut aparts with a good plaid. Here you've got 4x4 and the 2x2. And again, you've got lots of cute quotes. And the little bees. Okay, people say nothing is impossible, but I do nothing every day. Oh my god, I love Winnie the Pooh. I don't know. I've always loved Winnie the Pooh. And then this is our 4x6 cut aparts, of course. And you've got big polka dots on that. And then I did get the card kit because I had taken the card kit from the Holiday Magic virtual retreat. I think that's what it was. Yeah. And I had taken the card kit and I made it into like a little junk journal with some envelopes. I think that's what I'm going to do with this one, but now that I'm looking at them, I don't know that I want to, and I'm going to have to use the Dear Santa one instead. Or I'm going to have to get another card kit. Maybe I'll get another card kit, and then I can do the cards, and I can do the junk journal thing. But when I do the junk journal thing with this, I will do a tutorial, because it's super easy, and it's fun, and it's just a different way to use these cards. And I did get the page kit, because I couldn't resist. I do like their page kits. They are fun to do, and I haven't done one for a long time, but I did get that as well. So the only thing I don't think I got for some reason, I didn't get the brads, and I don't know why I didn't get the brads. Probably because I never end up using the brads. I love them, and I never use them. So yeah, look at all of this fun goodness. So like I said, super quick Say Cheese Classic Pooh haul from Country Craft Creations. And I will be back soon with new projects. See you later, guys. Bye.